In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add bleed to any PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Adding a bleed is an essential process for anyone involved in print design, as it ensures that the printing extends to the edge of the page. This prevents any unwanted lines or gaps around the edges of your printed material. Whether you're preparing a brochure, a poster, or a business card, adding a bleed can give your project that professional touch. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. If you're new to Acrobat, open the program and navigate to File at the top left corner, then select Open to choose your PDF document. Once your file is open and you're ready to begin, look over to the left panel where you'll find a tab labeled All Tools. Click on it. This tab will display an array of tools available within Acrobat, providing you with the necessary tools for your project. Next, from the All Tools menu, locate and select Use Print Production. This tool contains everything you need to prep your document for printing, including the ability to add printer marks. Once inside the print production options, look for Add Printer Marks and give it a click. Printer marks include crop marks, registration marks, and bleed marks, which are crucial for ensuring that your document prints correctly. Now focus on the printer marks where you'll see a checkbox labeled bleed marks. Make sure to check this box. Checking the bleed marks option will extend your artwork beyond the trim edge, creating that much needed margin for cutting. While you're here, you'll see a section called Style. Here you can choose the appearance of your bleed marks and set the line weight to your preferred thickness. This step is all about tailoring your document to meet your specific preferences and needs. Moving on, direct your attention to the page range section where you can select all to apply these settings across all pages, or select pages individually if needed. This feature is particularly useful if you're working with large multi-page documents and only want certain pages to feature the bleed marks. Once you've set up everything to your liking, you'll need to confirm these settings by clicking OK. After clicking OK, a confirmation dialog box will pop up. In this box, you are simply acknowledging the changes, so go ahead and click Yes to proceed. Following that, you might encounter another dialog box warning that printer marks may overlap artwork. It's a common alert, just click OK to move forward. And there you have it, you've successfully added bleed marks to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This straightforward process helps ensure your printed materials have a polished, professional edge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your design projects.